Hi guys, it is my review of my Chinese Megaminx from Cube for You and my new very cheap white DIY cube. First, the Megaminx. Uh, Many say Mefferts is better than this, but I haven't tried any Mefferts Megaminx yet. So I decided to make a review of what I have. Not yet. I don't know my last layer how to do it. Starting to learn Eric Ackersdyke's method. So I'm gonna show you the movement of this Megamix. It's good, at least I can do. I- yeah, you can see the movement. I can do. I will do T permutation now. It's it's a little good, but it's upon the user and how they use the cube. When you buy this, when you got this from when you order this one, it's not this smooth. But what I had what I did was I put a silicone in it. I put a lube. But first, you must loosen the screw first. What I'll do is make a quarter turn and pop the edge. And that's how I do it. And you will see a gap here, here. You can pop this out by using sharp plastic so that your cube won't be scraped by any sharp metal object. So you do it. Screws underneath this cap. In this case, I think yes, I can do it by my nails. You're gonna loosen the screw down here so that your Megaminx will be loose. When this is new, uh, I'm gonna need some painkillers after using it. It really sucks for the first when I first used this. But oh wait. But with the correct maintenance, you can make this a better Megaminx. Yeah, and that's how I loosen it. So let me do a J permutation. Uh, J permutation again. Yeah, that's my Chinese Megaminx. It's worth about $8.99 as far as I remember. Yeah, can't do the last layer yet. I'm starting to learn it. Okay, so this is just my review. You see this? Uh, Cube for You styled Megaminx is good, but I've tried it, but I prefer this one. This is a PVC Megaminx on Cube for You's website. A PVC. It is a PVC sticker. But the bad thing is, look at this. The color's almost the same, and it sucks. Here, this, and this. You can see, it's almost the same. Yeah, and it's very hard doing speed solving with this kind of color scheme. Yeah, that's the only disadvantage of this. I'm planning to buy a pink one for this, and the other one, so that I can determine the difference. So this is my PVC Chinese Megamix bought from cube4u.com. Okay, Aldi. Hey, what's up, my phone? Okay, just post. Wait a minute. See this.